folks, welcome back to the channel. On today's quick vlog, we're gonna grab a cold drink, probably at Misty, grab some boba with my buddy Danny and I around Baldwin Park. It's his first time using the Super73. Let's see how much he likes it. How was that so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's good, yeah.
Yeah. I just wanted to, like when you see a car, so just yield. That's why your side view mirror is there. I'll take you through some turns around here so you could get a feel of how it turns, but just don't over lean on it. All right?
What's this?
I'll take you around here. It's nice.
All right.
Just follow me. It's his first time on an e-bike, and he looks like he's having fun in a Super 73. He even borrowed Crystal's helmet. I just want all buddies to e-bike sometimes. There are times where we might go a little bit faster, but you're getting the hang of it?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna grab boba, is that cool?
Okay.
Alright.
Which one is it?
Misty.
Misty?
Yeah. You've been there.
How far are we from there?
4 or 5 miles only. Your horn is this one. It's the one with the it's like a yeah. If you need my attention, sound the horn.
Okay.
Alright, so next stop, Misty, alright? When there's bike lanes, we're gonna take bike lanes. When there's no bike lanes, just stick next to me. Let's roll. I'm gonna go a little faster. Alright, I gave him the feeler. Let's roll. And just like that, we're in Baldwin Park. Trying to get my buddy to follow along here. We're pretty much here. It's funner when we're not on the streets.
Yeah, I feel a little nervous though.
I'll take you out of the streets. We're just...
Luckily there's not a lot of cars though.
Yeah. We're gonna go... I'll take you to Santa Fe Dam to see the sunset, alright? Yes, sir. Looks like he's made it just fine. This is my favorite spot right here, Misty. Buy one, get one free. I hope that's still the case.
A few moments later.
Alright.
I like my mic.
Got a drink. Next stop, Santa Fe Dam for some sunset views. I put some tape around my battery casing so it doesn't juggle around too much. It's not as loose, and most riders have done the same way. I think even for the RCR model. Alright, looks like I have accumulated 40 miles on this guy. You can choose to pedal. It'll activate your motor as long as you have like PAS 3 or 4. Just press up or down.
Okay, I see it.
Okay. In case you want to pedal. Alright, let's go. Go ahead, fast as you can. Flex that bike. 31 miles per hour. I hope he gets hooked. He seems to like the bike. He says he likes both models design-wise. We need more e-bikers. Gonna make a left on the light. Bye. As soon as we go straight to Santa Fe Dam. You've been there, right?
Oh, I don't off-road.
Okay.
I don't think
Alright. Trying to catch a sunset. 51 miles per hour. And we're gonna stop there. I already lost Danny behind, so we're just gonna wait. Oh gosh, we're gonna wait here. It's a nice sunset that way, that right up there, if you haven't been.
No.
We're gonna stop there and drink boba.
Go here.
What do you think?
It's fun.
Yeah, you gonna get one?
Yeah.
That's just one trade for you. One.
Oh, no.
Well, if you're not driving anywhere, you know, like for work, catch the sunset. So that my buddy has a nice experience. We're gonna park here, drink boba, catch up with life, and just try to convince him to buy an e-bike. That's what I typically do. Alright, time to chill. Alright, break time. Let's see how much battery you used up. Yeah, nothing. You still have like 60-some%, and you started at 80. But yeah, break time. So that's Santa Fe Dam.
You ride for how long in this group ride?
This goes up to 30 miles. We only gone maybe 5, not even, maybe. That goes up to, I'm still testing it out. It's supposed to go to 40 to 60 miles. This is a bigger battery.
A few moments later.
Chasing the sunset. We parked for about 7 minutes, and I just ran into, our other electric vehicle friends, Greg and Jeff and the EUCs, and Crystal's old Super73. Greg is the one that bought it for me, and I just bumped into him. Hilarious. Every time someone's looking, I'm just pedaling just for fun. How does it feel pedaling?
I'm seeing a little bit further back yet.
It's a little better, huh? And you're getting some kind of exercise. And the more, obviously, the more you pedal, the more range you'll get. The more manpower you're using versus electric. This is the daylight version, and then this is the night version. It's always on this one. When's the last time you've seen the sunset? I get to see it almost every time I e-bike.
Last time I worked.
Oh yeah? I thought you would be driving by that time then.
Yeah, driving back home.
Yeah.
Traffic. Well, I'll see the sunset because I come down the 605.
Uh-huh. Going down the 605?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take the 210 to Burbank and going.
Yeah, but not like this though. Alrighty, you get to try the ONYX. Thank you.
Well, it's the control.
I'll tell you right now, it's throttle, okay? It's a twist throttle, so it's not a button. You see that? Careful there. Yeah, that's your twist throttle. It's a half twist. Yeah, and you're in normal mode. Now you're in the fastest mode, so just stay there. Yeah, you ease into it. Just ease into it. After this bridge is a quick right, okay? So just be careful with this quick right after the bridge. Just follow me, all right? Yeah, don't even try to pedal. Danny, don't try to pedal. It's not a pedal.
Trying to place my leg.
Okay, yeah, but it's not a pedaling bike. Just you're gonna need the momentum to kick you off. Okay. There you go. Well, Don't go too fast. Jesus. You gotta ease in on the throttle. Yep. It's a quick right after the bridge, so just sharp right. Be careful. Buddy is trying the ONYX. You can, it's a straightaway, so you can test it however fast you want. Okay. There he is. And he's going that fast. This guy. Some people just like the speed. And it doesn't make any noise, right?
Yeah.
Like compared to this Super 73.
No noise at all.
Yeah. Getting the hang of it? Well, looks like he likes e-bikes. That's for sure. I'm gonna take Danny to watch Top Gun, because he hasn't seen it, and he has to see it. I've already seen it. He's the one that helped me move items, move furniture when we were transitioning into our new home. So I gotta take him out. What a nice ride. We're just backtracking, okay?
Yeah.
We'll swap like at the gate.
Okay.
Yeah. Feel good?
Yeah, it's nice. It's smooth.
Very, yeah. That's what, $4,000.
It's like a little mini motorcycle.
Exactly.
So that's how it feels like to drive. Like,
Pretty much. And without licensing, or gas, or maintenance. Buddy said it feels like it's a, electric mini motorcycle for the ONYX CTY. Well, that's going to be today's quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in on our mini summer trip adventure to get boba and just bike ride. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your electric vehicle, whether it's a Super 73 ONYX, arielrider, or a DIY bafang kit. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.